Hard work, loyalty and perseverance, some of the essential pillars in the construction and formation of 10 years of quality and success. A company focused on its purpose of bringing you, our consumer, the best quality of service and best solutions for your home. Today, we're happy and grateful to announce that we have achieved our goal. We started our journey with a small business only with the determination and desire to serve and transform the lives of each client present in our trajectory, renovating the interiors and exteriors of each home and bringing even more happiness and smiles in the lives of each of our consumers. Over the years, the experiences were more and more in-depth, bringing even more evolution in our services, remodeling not only your most precious environment, but also your quality of life. But of course, without forgetting to dedicate a moment of our daily life to who we do our best, you. Finally achieving what we thought it was impossible, success, gratitude, and above all, your presence. For the last 10 years, you have been a great member of its organization. It's amazing how 10 years have passed so quickly alongside each of you, and we are proud to say that it was by your side that we reached this milestone. So we are grateful to have you by our side.